Gold is sitting at one of the most important level of the month, and the next 48 hours could decide the trend of the rest week. Will XAUUSD finally breaks below a massive 420 4020 supports or crash towards 4000? Or are the bull getting ready for a powerful squeeze back to $4,100? Stay until the end because I'll show you the exact levels, the biggest news events, and trading plan for the next 2 days. If we see the daily chart on the trading view, what we can see, the price is currently trading around $16. Price is moving as of now. Gold is still trading near a broader correction after falling to hold the above recent high. The market has been making high low, showing that seller remain in control in the short term. Now let's switch to 2 hours chart. But before that, I have to explain you on the daily chart where you will understand how the price is moving. See, what we have seen, there is a rejection happened at around 4070 to 4100. Okay, after touching a level of around $4168, we have seen the price has not sustained that level and it has come down. See, this is the trend it is following, and this is the narrow pattern it is trying to move. Now if you look at this particular pattern, we have seen, suppose if it started coming down, and chances are high that if it fall below 4000, then a further fall can be seen, and 410 is an important level as of now. If the price sustain this level, we can see that it can bounce back again, but if it fall below this level, chance of touching 4000 is there, and if the price goes below that level, that is a very important level. Suppose if it started falling below this level, chances are high that it can come down towards $40-10, which is a weak level. So probability can be high it can touch a level of 39.97. okay, because if it fall below 4000, chances are high it can come down, and this is a very important level. Suppose if it started coming down to 4000, it can touch $39.97. From there we will see that it can touch a level of 38.80, because that is a resistance third and that is a weak level. So probability will be high that it will fall below that level and it will come down towards 39.68. From there it can touch a level of $39.54, and this is the zone where the price is moving. And once started going below this level, we can see it can come down towards 39.58 to a level of around $39.40. This is the zone where we can see, and chances are high because this is the pattern it is showing. So we can see that it can come down towards a level of 39.40. Then from there it will move towards a level of 39.27 to a level of $38.86. Okay, understand this is the particular zone where the price is moving. So we can see a further fall only when the price keep falling below 39.80. Trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement. But suppose if it started coming up, what you can see, suppose if it started coming upside, we can see that it can come up towards $40. Understand $40 is an important level which is considered to be a resistance one, and if that sustained, we will see that it will touch 40.50 to a level of $40.83, which is resistance 2, but that is a weak level. So we will see after crossing this level, chances are high it can cross $40-80, and from there it will move towards next level of around 4100. And once the price sustained by 4100, chances are high it will move towards $41.40 to a level of 41.68, which is previous week's high. So we can see there can be a further upside movement can be seen. Okay, this is what I have explained you regarding the bulls and bear signs. So understand, if it keep falling below 4000, a further downfall can be seen, but if it sustain above 40, there is a probability of upside. Lower time frame, we can see that the price is moving around $12, and suppose if the price keep falling below that level, we can see it can come down towards 39.97, and if the price fall below this level, we can see a level of 39.80 to a level of 39.56, and if the price sustaining above that level, we can see a $33 to a level of 40.48, which is again a weak level. So chances are high it can come up towards $40-80, and from there a level of 4100. Okay, chances of further upside is low till the time it is moving in a range of $40-10. Okay, and once started crossing above $40, then only we can see there can be an upside movement. But if it keep coming down and fall below 4000, a further downfall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.